installing these Fox shocks, 2.5-inch reservoir adjustable shocks for a 6-inch lift, and 2-inch adjustable reservoirs, low speed only, on the back for this 2014 Ram 1500 or my truck. It's already got a zone 6-inch lift installed that I installed about a year ago, and the plan was always to put in these new shocks, and today we're going to do it. So stay tuned and we'll walk you through the process. We're going to start with the front. We're going to take everything off. We're going to move to the back, take everything off. We'll show you guys a side-by-side comparison of the existing suspension, and then you know, get you a sense of how much bigger the new suspension is. So stay tuned and get right to it. So it's such a pain in the ass to get to these screws the way they've done it. I'm just going to drill a hole right through so that I can get a socket on it. When swapping the bushings for the sway bar links over, the best way is to start with the metal bushing, pair of needle nose pliers, pop it out. Then you're going to pop out the rubber bushing using a smaller socket than the opening. Once you've done that, you're going to pop it into the new sway bar bushing. Helps if you've greased it, which I did off screen. And you're going to also want to grease the bushing again, clean it and grease it before you pop it back in, which we're doing here. Then you push it back in and we're done. Simple as that. When you're putting your sway bar arms back on, you want to make sure that you have a washer on either side of the bushing, otherwise it'll get crushed. On this one, the washer is this itself, like, so you can put it through like this. You want to make sure that that washer goes on the other side, or you will ruin your bushing. All right. So I'm a little bit concerned with this shock because this is not actually designed for this truck. I want to be able to adjust my adjustment, which I can just see if it's down low like this, but I don't want to be hitting this knob. So I think I'm going to break this knob off. It's not necessary on that arm anyways. So one of the things that people complain about Fox shocks is that they're held on with these little silver hose clamps. They don't really look that good for what you're paying, so I'm just going to paint them black and we'll see if it looks a little bit nicer. So we're gonna get started on putting on the Fox shocks. So we showed you taking it off on the driver's side, and we're gonna show you putting it on the passenger side. If you've ever replaced your shocks, you'll know that it's super simple. But yeah, we'll just walk you through all the steps. I'll post all the torque specs. You've probably seen the video. I didn't show myself torquing any of this stuff in the back. We torqued it after. So I'll post all the torque specs on there for you so that you know what to torque it with. Yeah. So, just a bit too high. So I like to put the bottom one in first, just so that it doesn't move on us. See the bolt goes right on because we wire brushed it, got all that rust off there. Super nice. So you want to get your top, it is basically lined up, but you want to just get it so that it's nice and close without being completely tight. So we got a little bit of movement there. That's perfect. And like I was saying with the Fox ones, these bolts go down. They only get torqued to 24 foot-pounds, which is nothing. I don't even have a torque wrench that light here. I left it at home, but no matter. Our shock mount, or sorry, our reservoir mount, and it sits on top like this. Okay, 24 foot-pounds is really not much. So I'm just going to snug them up for now, and then when I get home later, I'll hit it with the actual torque wrenches one that I have, little 0 to 50. Unfortunately, I only have my 50 to 200 here. So take our tube clamps, back them off as much as possible. They want you to put it in that little groove. They don't want you to run it through it, so you want to go behind it. Just going to push this through. And that is on. Pop these screws back on. So I just kind of got that on there loose. This is on there loose. We'll get the upper control arm on. I don't recommend if you got bad aim. I just like to give it a tap on sometimes, like working how to put the nut on. Just to help. Sometimes it'll seat right in and then you don't have to worry if you do have the stock ones or if this one starts spinning on me. It'll actually, that friction will stop it from spinning and you can just torque it right up. Who knows? Don't always get lucky. So on this one we torque this just to 75 foot-pounds. Now it's different on the factory control arm, so just make sure you check whatever the torque setting is on the particular control arm you're using. It may be different. Just in the wrong spot to get this cotter pin through the way I like to put it through, so we'll go through the front, I guess. Cotter pin just helps so that if it does loosen off, say you didn't torque it right or something happens and you're driving down the road, the bolt won't fall right out, so you'll start to feel the bumping and the vibration before anything actually breaks on you, which is better than it breaking. Then I'll torque this one. Again, I'll post the torque below. Torqued, over on. That's what I thought. We'll check our phone to get it perfect.